you've got to keep your day trading really simple because there isn't much time to get into these trades, place your stop and your profit target. So your strategy has to be really simple because you need to act on it really fast. And I'm going to show you today on this video what we did this morning in our live trading room and how we kept it really simple. Before we do that, guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I really want to get the subscriber count up on our channel, really get it going, giving you as much education as possible. And I think the things that we like to do here at Trading College are different to where you see anywhere else. So subscribe to the channel and I'll be giving you some cracking top content that you probably won't see anywhere else. All right, so let's take a little look at this 5-minute chart here. Now I've got this column in here and this represents really the morning European session on the German Dax. And I like to call it the golden hour. The golden hour for me starts at 8 AM London time. It's where we see the London stock markets opening up on the cash session. We see the brokers in the UK tightening spreads on FX pairs. The overnight session's over and now it's the injection of volume with London traders and European traders kicking in, taking trades and getting positioned. It really is that injection of volume which we need as day traders. Otherwise, if the markets don't move, if price doesn't move, then how can we make any money if we're trading the morning move? Okay, so we need that injection of volume. Now, we were short sellers today in the trading room. We weren't interested in the long side, even though the DAX has been really bullish. It's had a pullback recently, but we were short in here. We were looking for red pro trend system and track sell signals right in this area here. Stop was automatically put in place with the pro trend system. This market dropped like 60 points very quickly indeed. It was a really, really nice morning session. Now, how would you like it if you had an idea where you knew the market was going to go the next day? Now, we like to use our momentum tools, our indicators. If you take a little look, we combine 2 time frames. You've seen me and heard me talk about multiple time frames before. I think it's crucial and a big component when you're day trading the markets to use what I like to say is multiple time frames. So not just a 5-minute chart to enter. You need an hourly and a 60-minute chart. When you're new to trading, you're going to get analysis paralysis where you've got all these different time frames conflicting. But what you need to do is keep it simple. And on the daily chart here, we had a trend predictor, which is a red arrow saying today is likely to go down. There's something like an 80% chance it's going to drop today. So this is Monday's candlestick telling us that today, because we did this last night at 7 PM on our scan club, we were looking for shorts, and there's our short trigger right there. There's our next short trigger right there, a cross between the green into a red. When it goes red, that is the short signal. So the bigger time frame is helping us because it's so much more powerful, a daily chart, than a 5-minute time frame, especially if you're trading the indices and especially if you're trading the FX market. If you're doing gaps on the open of the US market, the daily does come into play, but you know, a lot of time those momentum moves on the 5 or 2-minute charts can break through resistance areas quite quickly, and it's based on news announcements with gaps, which I've been doing for like the last 20 odd years. But when we're trading DAX here, you know, it is very much about what's the next candlestick going to do. And for a day trader, this move from that circle to that circle there is enough to make a living for the rest of your trading career. So if you can have an edge in the market, that's great. When there's an arrow right here, I don't want to short the DAX. I just want to be long the DAX. So I need a red arrow, red pro trend system to want to short what we call the trend predictor. And of course, you're going to have your momentum indicators as well. Okay, so trend predictor gives us the heads up, and it really is something we like to use on multiple time frames, because if we want to, let's say we have a weekly trend predictor down, then we're going to be looking for 60-minute shorts. If we've got a green trend predictor for up for the week, I'm going to be looking for green buy signals. It keeps me on the right side of momentum, and that's what we are. We are momentum traders. So every day I'm looking for those nice trending reversals. And if you look here on the screener here. So we just run the screener. This is how we use the screener for our day trades. You can see the FTSE here came up with a daily sell signal as well as that German Dax. And you can see here we've got double trend predictor. Now, the double trend predictor here, you know, you can make money. We've had the sell signals have made some nice profits here, not the long side. We've had a little move in the doldrums at 79.45, but the reds have been really good because the potential for this to roll over is high. But I would prefer it to have been a green candlestick for the long side trades because it's a green pro trading system. All right, but you know, it's a red. We're getting conflicting signals here. It's a red trend predictor and a green pro trend system. So I'd rather have taken the DAX trade because the DAX was red pro trend system, red trend predictor on the daily. So the short side on the DAX was preferred this morning in our chat room. All right. So this is what I'm looking for. Now, look, guys, if you're brand new to trading, I've got a brand new beginner's course in the description below. Make sure you register for that. It's completely free. It's a practical beginner's course. It talks about opening the brokerage account, placing trades. If you're brand new, this is perfect for you. It talks about the most important things that you need to know as a trader. It takes away all the fluff that you see elsewhere. It really is straight to the point, practical, me teaching you beginners content. It is in the description down below in our channel here. Make sure you click on that. It's completely free. Register for it and you will get access into our training course and material. Make sure you do that, guys. All right, so I hope it helps. We'll be looking for these trend predictors and momentum trades all the time because it gives us that edge in the market. All right, guys, speak to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.